Sometimes you just have to listen to your heart. You know that feeling when something just doesn't feel right? That's what I felt the day I left work early to see Max, my best friend, my loyal companion, who had been silently battling kidney failure. It was as if Max knew too. When I walked through that door, his tired eyes lit up. We spent those last moments together, his head resting on my lap, my tears soaking his fur. There was a comfort in just being there, in holding him close and feeling his heartbeat. Saying goodbye was the hardest thing I've ever done, but it was also the most important. Max gave me a lifetime of love, and I owed him those final moments of peace. If this touched your heart, please like and share this message. Cherish your pets, hold them close, and never take those moments for granted. FM Edits.